So this video is to show you how to take a picture with your phone, iPhone or Android or Google, doesn't matter what type of phone you have, but to take a picture with your phone of your work, email it to your school email, then upload it to your Google Drive so that you can then insert your photo into an assignment. That assignment could be directly in Schoology, it could be in a Google slide, it could be in a Google form, so forth. But I'm going to at least show you how to get it into your Google Drive. So you'll want to first go ahead and take your picture, and you'll notice when I go to my photos, okay, I have two photos here. I have this first one that's super blurry. Make sure, even though I can read it, it's not very clear. So make sure when you take a photo, you want it very clean so that it's not blurred at all, so that your teacher will be able to see it. Make sure you zoom in enough so that your teacher can see all of your work nice and neat. So then I'm ready to email it to myself. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the send. And then I have all the different choices, but I'm going to hit mail. And then I'm going to type in my school email. Should pop up. Okay, make sure you type in the whole thing. You can put a subject in, picture for math class. You don't really need a subject, but it does help. And then you're going, so you have the picture, you have your email, you have a subject line, and now you're ready to send. So I'm going to hit send. Okay. Sometimes it might ask you if you want to send as a small, medium, large, or actual size. If you can do actual size, that's great, but you may have to choose smaller, medium for the upload. Okay. So now I'm going to go to my email. So once you have the email from yourself, you'll be able to open your email and you should have it here. If you click on the down arrow, that's actually going to download it to your computer, which you can upload from there. But I'm actually going to upload it to my drive because I think it's a little bit easier to attach things from Google. So I'm going to click on the Add to Drive button, and it's going to drop it directly into your Google Drive. So I'm going to go there next. So now that I'm in my Google Drive, I see right at the very top, but you can also go to Recents, and it should be the first thing that pops up. Okay. So I can actually click on it and see it, so I know that it's there. If you want to rename it, you can do so by clicking on the a right click and renaming it. Picture for math. Just easier to find if you have a name that you can search. I'm gonna hit OK. So now I'm going to go to my assignment. So this is my assignment, and this is where I would like to upload my picture. It says upload picture of work. So I'm going to go to insert up at the top, and it says image. If you had downloaded it to your computer, you'll say upload from computer, but I actually did it to my drive. So I'm going to click drive. And it should, because it was the most recent thing that I did, it should be the very, very first thing. But if it's not the most recent, you've been working and done a couple different things, you can always search, and I called it Pick for Math. And I should be able to pull it up that way. So once I click on the picture, I'm going to hit Insert. And now I have my picture. I can leave it big like this. I can also make it small. If I make it really small, I know my teacher's not going to be able to see it. But what I can do is double click, and that allows you to crop. The other way, instead of double clicking, is this little, kind of looks like a picture frame that's kind of scrunched up at the top. And from there, I can delete all this dead space. So I don't have to shrink my picture, but I've cut it down to size. And I can do it a little bit smaller. It's still readable for my teacher. So that's how you insert a photo that you took with your phone. So just as a reminder, take a picture with your phone, go to your photo apps, then email that photo to your school email. From the school email, you need to add it to your drive. And once it's in your drive, you can rename it if you would like. And then actually in Google Slides, you'll go to Insert, Image, Drive, and you can either search for it or it should be in your most recent items. I hope this helped.